How to fix an unexpected error has occurred redeeming the Roblox gift card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the unexpected error you encounter when trying to redeem a Roblox gift card. So this error can occur for several reasons. That is, your gift card may be expired, there could be incorrect payment details, or there might be not enough funds on your payment method. So first of all, you have to check the validity of your gift card to ensure that it's not expired. And if you purchased the gift card recently and it's expired, contact the Roblox support for the assistance. Next, you have to verify your payment details. Make sure that all the information is correct and there are sufficient funds on your payment method used to buy the gift card. If the gift card is valid and the payment details are correct, the problem might be with the Roblox service. So to check this, you can visit roblox.status.roblox.com to see if the servers are operational. And if everything appears fine but you're still getting an error, your final option is to contact the Roblox. You have to go ahead and simply search for Roblox support in the Google Chrome web browser and click on the first link, then fill out the form with your username, your name, email address, and the device you're using like PC, Mac, or iPhone. In the help category, select gift card and then gift card redeem. Describe your issue by saying something like, "Hi, I'm receiving an unexpected error while redeeming my Roblox gift card. So the card is valid and paid. Could you help me?" And after submitting your request, you should expect a response within 48 hours. So that's all you can do. If you encounter an unexpected error while redeeming a Roblox gift card, and if this information helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.